Validation of cleaning and sanitation programs. Requirements for validation of cleaning procedures. Where cleaning procedures are part of a defined prerequisite plan to control the risk of a specific hazard, the cleaning and disinfection procedures and their frequency shall be validated and records maintained. What is cleaning? Cleaning is a physiochemical process involving a number of factors. Objective: prevent contamination and cross-contamination. Elimination or reduction, hazards. Variety of hazards to be considered. Biological, physical, chemical and allergens. Residuals remaining from detergents. What is cleaning validation? Validation means proof that the approved cleaning procedure is capable of producing safe food. Food businesses by law need to clean and sanitize their facilities. This is required to produce safe and legal food products and remove hazards such as pathogens, allergens, and chemicals. Food businesses employ standard sanitizing operation procedures, SSOP, to achieve this. In order to ensure that these methods are in fact capable of removing the hazards and reducing the risk to an acceptable level, validation of the cleaning procedure is often required, particularly for high-risk unit operations. Simply setting up a procedure and checking it a few times, e.g., ATP, swabbing and culturing, residual testing etc., is not enough to validate a cleaning method, as it will not account for the possible variation from employees, chemicals, and other parameters. Validation of cleaning methods can be conducted statistically using a capability study. When is cleaning validation required? When risk assessment or legislation requires it. Critical cleaning, e.g., between manufacturing of one product and another or specific contact surfaces. Not necessarily for non-critical cleaning, e.g., between batches of the same product or of floors, walls, the outside of vessels. Cleaning validation prerequisites. Before any validation can be conducted, you must first put in place certain requirements. Validation is basically setting up an experiment to prove an hypothesis. In this example, we are looking to prove that a cleaning procedure is in fact capable of achieving the objective of producing safe and legal food. All this should be documented in a procedure for conducting the validation. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.